This is Dr. Mohan M R. What is an Achilles tendon tear? Achilles tendon is the big tendon at the heel level where the calf muscles become a tendon and gets attached to the foot. It acts as a heel lift off. To lift the heel off, you have to pull the calf muscle which is attached to the heel through this Achilles tendon. Achilles tendon is one of the strongest and also one of the weakest tendon also because of the various precarious anatomical location of the Achilles. The causes of Achilles tendon repair, of course, trauma, injury. Various type of trauma, direct or indirect injuries where the forces are too high, it can break. Like any other tendon or any bone or any structure, physical structure which can be torn by physical forces, commonest one. There are other conditions called degenerative tears. Degenerations means through our normal age-related process or through our activities and usage, that tendon can become weakened over a period of time. The weakened tendon, if it gets accumulated over a period of time, if it is more than 50% or maybe more than 50% of the tendon is weakened, degenerative and weakened, the chances of full ruptures are high. So these are called degenerative tears. It can be classified as partial tear or complete tears. In chromatic complete tears, the best treatment is definitely surgical repair. In partial tears, of course, you can manage with conservative methods with a cast, ankle and plantar flexion, where you are giving time for it to heal naturally. That can be possible. We expect it to heal by 6 to 12 weeks. After that, physiotherapy, you can keep strengthening it. The success rates are good, quite high in partial tears. But of course, complete tears has to be repaired. But in the other class of Achilles tendon ruptures, that is the degenerative tears, where already a structural weakness which is accumulated over a period of time, there are other methods which can try to heal it. Of course, the other treatment, we are using it for other locations like PRP, stem cells. There is a shockwave therapy, various types of technologies to try to stimulate any healing, which is in chronic tears and degenerative tears, the healing process would have been stopped. To stimulate the healing process, we try various methods. One of the method is, of course, definitely a stem cell injection, which stem cells injections are known to restart a healing process. Clinical studies evaluating the effectiveness of stem cells in Achilles tendon. Clinical studies are not very promising that every stem cell injection is going to help degenerative tears, but some studies have shown to give some good results in Achilles tendon repairs. It can be tried, but that it cannot be assured of healing. If it is not healing and at the same time the functional limitation or the pain also has to be assessed and his requirement has to be assessed. Based on that, a treatment plan, either combination of regenerative medicine, physiotherapy, rehabilitation or limited surgical procedures can also help in getting back to pre-injury levels.